What is up, guys? It's your boy Philly D here, and I'm gonna do an unboxing of this Ganja OG Kush 150 shot finale set. So let's get right to it. This thing comes with 6 aerials in total, 25 shots each. And let's check them out. So we got a few different colors. They're all 25 shots, like I said, 200 grammars, all by Red Apple, part of their Ganja brand. And what do you say we do a demo, guys? All right, here we go. Check it out. I'm gonna do 2 OG Kush Ganja brand by Red Apple. 2 Ganja OG Kush by Red Apple Firework.